Morning, a mystery on board the Starliner spacecraft has been solved. A few days ago, NASA astronaut Butch Wilmore radioed Mission Control in Houston to report a strange sound coming from the Boeing capsule. Listen to this. That won't put you to ease, but now NASA says the pulsing sound was feedback from an audio configuration between the space station and the capsule. NASA says Starliner will still undock from the ISS as early as Friday to begin its return to Earth, but the Starliner crew will have to wait until February to catch a ride home with the SpaceX Dragon capsule.